Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, December 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the dollar CAD, I do think this impulsive move down is either an A or a 1. I still think this is an uptrend, which I believe to be either a B or a 2, even though it is 5 waves. I do believe that it is a motive wave correction for the wave B or the wave 2, and I still think that this is most likely going to go down and either make a wave C, which would look like that, or possibly a wave 3, which would more likely end up looking like that. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it does kind of look to me like we already have the end of this move up right here. Now this move down right here possibly could be a correction to the wave up. It really hasn't broken structure yet, so it definitely is possible. And we do have some Canadian news coming out today, so I mean there is a possibility that it could go up. I am definitely leaning towards the fact that this is going to continue to downtrend and make lower lows, lower highs, and end up looking something like that. So heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean this definitely could possibly be a 1, 2, 3 or an ABC. If it is an ABC, then it will go up, it will break structure, proving that it's a wave C, and at that point it should be the continuation of the uptrend. Now, like I said, I'm definitely leaning towards the fact that we're in a wave 3 and that it's going to keep on going down, but if the market proves me wrong by breaking structure and holding above structure, then I will definitely be prepared to start looking for longs in an uptrend again. So let's take it right down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down. And now we are sitting at the 78% and we do have news coming out in a few hours. So if we do get like another bounce, a break of structure to the downside, then I would definitely take that as a sorting opportunity for the continuation of the downtrend. On the other hand, if price does go up and break this structure right here significantly and holds above structure, then I am going to convert from being a seller to becoming a buyer probably for the next foreseeable future, because at that point it would probably prove that this is a wave C and that we really are continuing up. But until we get that break of structure, I am definitely still looking at this move up as potentially a correction to this last wave down. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, we have news coming out before too long. I think the most likely thing to happen is we're going to get a 78% bounce and then a break of structure. And if that does happen, I would definitely be prepared to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. Like I said, on the other hand, if it does go up, if it does break structure, then that's what's going to turn me into a buyer, and that's what's going to make me start looking for buy positions on these sort of time frames, probably for the next few weeks at least, especially if it really is the end of an ABC correction down here. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.